right, guys, getting ready to pull up this Mustang. We're going to be doing a test drive today. Trying to remember to do the cold start videos. So let's see what we got going on here. This is a 66 Mustang, and I'm going to pull it up here in the middle of the lot, wipe it off, and get ready to take her down the road. It's probably going to be the small key. So our oil pressure gauge came up immediately. We'll wait for that temperature gauge to come on up. Not too bad. Radio is not working. Blower motor is working. Y'all believe this horn works? You can place your bets on that. It does. Wipers? They work. Ooh, she cold. Let's see. I'm just gonna pull her up in the middle of the lot here. And we will get started. Alright, get the hose out and wash this baby off. Oh yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we got a 1966 Mustang we're gonna go for a ride in. This one's got a 289 under the hood, no power steering. It's got disc brakes in the front, drum in the rear, and I'm gonna be pointing out any kind of flaws, that way you know exactly what you're buying before you get here. Check out my website, maplemotors.com. We update every Monday with new inventory. You can also get finance and shipping information on that website, and close to 100 detailed pictures of every car. All right, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride, guys. So we already went over all the stuff in the beginning. We're gonna look around the interior before we take off. The dash is a little bit wrinkled here and over here, but it's not ripped up. It looks pretty good otherwise. The interior actually looks nice. Seats look pretty good. I got my gear over here, sorry. Package tray can be redone. Sun faded. Headliner looks great. It's in good shape. Does have a little rip right here. It needs to be touched up. But the rest of it, near perfect. Go ahead and start her up again. Now that she's nice and warm, our temperature gauge is working and coming up. Let it run, I don't know, 10 minutes or so, sitting out here while I washed it and prep for the video. We're gonna go to the gas station right away and check that gas gauge. Let's hit the road, guys. Okay, I got my seatbelt on, rolled my window down a little bit, and I noticed the door handle crank is stripped out on the actual handle itself. You can push in on it and help it up and get it up and down just fine, but initially just freely trying to roll it up, it's not going to work. You're gonna have to push in on it, maybe even tighten that screw up on the inside. It may just start grabbing, but the best thing would be to order the new handle. All right, anything that I see I will point out, just like that door handle or like that window crank. And we're gonna hit the road here, check this baby out. I'm gonna do a two-part video too. So this is the test drive, and the next video will be a walk around of the car. All right. Ooh, a little hesitation in that carburetor. I didn't have it in here, I guess. Whoa, there we go. There's a little bit of get up and go. Kick down is hooked up on this one. Gonna try the brakes out. Brakes brakes aren't bad. Just manual brakes here. I believe now we're in drive. I didn't know if it had a shift kit. This is the first time I've driven this car. I was waiting for it to go skirt. Let's see if that hesitation's gone. A little bit of a hesitation right off the line there. Shifting nice and smooth. Turn signals are popping up on the dash. On both sides. Speedometer's coming up and working good. Just a hair bit of slack in the steering wheel. Of course, I'm going to hit it on the second part of this test drive. I was paying attention to how the training was shifting and everything at first. See a little bit of slack. I didn't notice any pull, so it was going straight down the road, but we will check that one more time again on the second half of the test drive video. For now, I'm going to pull in here. We're going to get some undercarriage shots. Check this baby out. I did forget to go to the gas station. I'm going to do that right as we pull out of here. Hopefully we don't run out during the walk around video. I think we'll be all right. All right, guys, let's do it. So we're up here at the gas station. I'm gonna throw about $20 worth of premium fuel in this car and check that gas gauge out. I know it was buried on the E, so we'll see if it comes up. Let's fill her up. Okay, got gas. I only fit $12 in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and say the gas gauge don't work. It's not working at all. It's got a full tank, literally. All right. Boom. Good deal. Hey guys, if you want to know what camera I'm using or what I'm using, period, look below in the description. Leaving the gas station now with a full tank of gas. Skirt. Engine temp is below normal, and it has been this whole time, and that gauge is working. Oil pressure is above normal, same thing. But there is a flat spot, like, okay, there's nobody behind me. So if you dead stand still and you punch it, a little bit of a flat spot and it takes off. But after that, you can punch it and it'll literally burn the tires. It kind of did a little bit just then. But yeah, it's got plenty of power. shifting out good, speedometer's working. I mean, we just punched it, hit 60 mile an hour, and we're coming back down now. We're gonna get back down to the speed limit, but pretty quick. I think speedometer's right on too, because I believe we're doing 40 right now. That's what it says we're doing. Pretty quiet exhaust. All right, so if I let go of the steering wheel, I notice it's pulling just a little bit to the right. Not bad. And you got that little bit of slack right here. You start turning there and you start turning there. Coming up on that road with a speed bump, you can listen for squeaks, rattles, and kind of get an idea on suspension the best I can visually without you being in the seat beside me. Well, they've got some people blocking right here. Let's see. See, a little bit of flat spot again. Let me come by. Speed bump's coming up right here. A little squeaky. I hear some squeaks and stuff going on. I've heard it this whole video. Sounds like it's coming from the rear. I'll kick it a little bit here. I'm sure it'll spin the tires. No problem. I didn't hold it, but yeah, it would have kept going for sure. And we were already rolling, so. Good deal, guys. We're here at the lot. We're gonna pull back in. I'm definitely doing a few cars today because next week, we're finally paving the car lot. It's been 40 years, almost 40 years, and this lot has never been paved. We're paving this lot, that lot, and the back lot, and we're gonna make it awesome for 2021. I'm very excited. Oh, they got some of the cars out that I want to get to. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Hit that subscribe button for daily content. As long as I'm alive and healthy, I'll be making videos for y'all. Let's get it. And be sure to check out maplemotors.com. I've got close to 100 detailed pictures of this car, every car on the lot, and all of our inventory is updated every Monday. We're thinning the herd right now. I do have a lot of new stuff coming in. It's not here at Maple Motors right now, but it will be. I told y'all we're paving this lot. I mean, this is some old pavement here. I'm very excited to see what it looks like. So check out maplemotors.com. You get finance, shipping information, all the detailed pictures. And here on YouTube, test drive videos and walkarounds. There's a walkaround video of this one as well. Wait till the last 30 seconds of this video or just type in 1966 Mustang Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar. Sometimes people say, oh, there's so many videos. Do the hashtag. This one would be 883. You can see that located on my website as well. All right, guys. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for sharing my videos. Let's get another one.